Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Register, get your API key, and secure client ID plus client secret. Once you have credentials, set up an HTTP client, curl for quick tests, Postman for inspection, or Axios in Node. Then configure base URL, version, and headers like authorization and content type. Make a simple get to /health or /status to validate connectivity. This verifies keys and network. If that succeeds, proceed to authentication steps and request formats, because knowing the response shape saves debugging time later. You now authenticate. Exchange client ID and client secret for an access token using the OAuth 2 flow or token endpoint. Store it securely and refresh when expired. Next, craft requests carefully. Choose get, post, include path parameters, query strings, and JSON bodies. Set authorization, bearer token. Implement retries with exponential backoff for transient 5xx errors and treat 4xx as client errors to fix input. Once request shapes match docs, start mapping responses to your data models and log both requests and responses. You finish by validating responses, handling pagination, and respecting rate limits. Throttle requests or use provided headers to back off. Make sure credentials are stored in env variables or a secret vault and rotate keys regularly to reduce risk. Add monitoring and alerts for error spikes and latency. If something breaks, capture the exact request and full response including headers and body. This single snapshot usually reveals mismatched headers, expired tokens, or incorrect JSON shapes, so use it to reproduce and fix the issue fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.